Are you taking extra care of your skin during summers? Yes, right? Then why not for your plants? Like us humans, our plants also need special and extra care during summer, and that is what we are going to discuss in this video. Hello everyone, I am Plant Girl and welcome back to my channel. एंड आज हम बात करेंगे प्लांट्स के समर केयर के बारे में। समर आते ही प्लांट्स को कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करने पड़ती है, जस्ट लाइक लीव्स का विल्टिंग होना, sunburn, pest attack and whatnot. So in this video we are going to discuss 5 things you must do for your plants during summer. Number 1, sunlight exposure. प्लांट्स को समर सीजन में ज्यादा सनलाइट मिलती है, which can lead to sunburn and soil का जल्दी ड्राई होना. To prevent this, providing shade during peak hours, especially during the afternoon when the sun is much hotter, is crucial. Along with that, increasing the frequency of watering helps maintain the soil moisture, preventing dehydration. Don't forget to occasionally shower the leaves to keep them hydrated and healthy. Adequate mulching around the plant can also help retain soil moisture and reduce the impact of direct sunlight. Monitoring plants for signs of sun damage and adjusting their placement accordingly is essential for their well-being in summer months. Number 2, watering frequently. Due to intense summer heat, soil dries out very quickly, requiring more frequent watering. So to prevent plants from wilting and experiencing water stress, you need to water deeply but less often. This promotes healthy root growth and ensures that the plant receive adequate hydration to thrive in this hot weather. In addition to adequate watering, using a moisture meter to track the water level can also help, but this is completely optional thing. If you have it, it's good. If you don't, you can still check that by just checking the soil, topmost layer of the soil. If it is dried out, then make sure you water the plant. Growing plants with similar water needs together can also streamline watering routine and conserve water. Number 3, showering leaves. So plants को summer months में dehydration और stress हो सकता है, affecting the overall plant health. Giving them an occasional gentle spray of water helps maintain their moisture level and promotes their well-being. It is a very simple yet effective way of preventing leaf dehydration and maintain plant vigor. Along with showering leaves can remove dust and debris, allowing better absorption of sunlight and nutrients. This practice also reduces the risk of pest infestations and fungal diseases on plant foliage. Number 3, Mbug Attack. Mealybug tend to attack the plants more frequently during the summer months as they seek cool and moist environment. They thrive in cool soil and on healthy plants, making them a common pest issue in hot weather. So to prevent mealybug issues, avoid overwatering your plants and ensure good airflow around your plants. Regularly inspecting and removing affected leaves or using natural pest control methods can also help with mealybug reduction. If you already have issue of mealybugs for your plants, do check this video. It will definitely help you guys. I have personally tried this out and it worked for all of my plants, not just 1 or 2. It helped for my pothos, it helped for my erica palm, it helped for my monstera. It is like one-stop solution for mealybug for all of your plants. So do check that out. Mostly in hibiscus plants, as we all know, it is like a major issue of our hibiscus. So you can also watch the after result video for the mealybug treatment, that is also linked in the description box below. Number 5, overall plant care. Apart from the specific issues mentioned, summer में overall plant care involves monitoring all kind of pests actively, maintaining proper humidity level, and providing sufficient nutrients that you can get through organic fertilizers, of which I generally prefer using vermicompost. You will have to regularly check signs of pests and diseases and also follow a balanced fertilizing schedule as plants tend to grow new leaves during the summer season. Ensure that the plants are placed in appropriate light condition during the summer month to promote their health and resilience during summer months. Pruning all the dead or damaged branches, removing spent flower, and supporting taller plants with sticks or such materials are additional care practices that contribute to plant vitality and productivity during summer season. So that was all I had for this video. I hope you found that helpful. If so, do hit on that like button and also do share this video with your gardening lover friend and make them aware to follow these practices during summer for their plant, and let's save more plants and take good care of them. Do comment down your thoughts or suggestions on this in the comment section below. Also, if you're aware of any more very essential plant practices to be known, please comment that here. It will definitely help our plant community. I make videos related to plants and nature, so if you are into it, do subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching. We will meet soon in a new video. Till then, bye bye.